Alright, y'all, we back with another one. We're gonna see what's in these packages, man. I got this big box right here, and then I got these little small ones right here, so we're gonna see what we got here. So, slide that box over there. Let's open this one up first. Make sure everything's at the bottom. Slice this bad boy open. See what's inside here. Ooh, that's a Shaq. I think that might be his rookie card right there. Yeah. What year is this? 95, 93? What is that year? You guys can't see, It's an old one, though. I think this might be his rookie card. Alright, y'all. That's it for that one right there. Let's go ahead and slide this one open and see what's inside this one. Oh, that's Pokemon packs. Okay. Uh-oh. What's this? Oh, nothing in there. Alright, we got some 3 packs of Pokemons. Is there any fire in these packs? Let me know, y'all. Gave me a little protector. Just in case I hit one, I guess. Alright. Cool. Go ahead and open this one. See what kind of fire we got up in here. Let's get this receipt out of the way. Alright, let's put it in this bag. Cool. Ooh. Oh yeah, these are, Scoot, look at that. That's a real card from 1956. Tops. Little fighter jet. Oh, it's a U.S. transport. U.S. transport. Hold on, let me open this up. Let's reverse the card. There's writing on that side, so I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one, so you guys can see it better. All right, there you go. This one is a transporter too. That is fat. 1956 tops jet. That's fat. Oh yeah, let me show you the back. That's crazy. That's fat though, I like that. I know people that's in the military would love to have these. That's why I ended up getting it, because pass it along to a person that's from the military. Yeah, that's fat. Yeah. that's it for this little pack. That was a nice pack right there, though. Fire pack. Definitely a fire pack. Alright. Now it's time to open this big box. See what's in this big box. Let's see what's in this big box. Raise y'all up a little bit. So y'all can see. Be careful though, because I don't want to cut nothing that's in the box. It's pretty sharp too, especially the tip of it. Thick ass box. Nice box. Reuse this box. Definitely. Can reuse this box. Okay. We got some fire right here. Let's throw this back down. Let's see what we got up in here. Let me take it. Definitely gotta move that receipt out of the way. Let's put it right there. Let's see what we got here. Oh shit. Rookie. From the Niners. Man, this is a thick slab. Oh, is there two of them in there or one? Oh no, there's two of them in here. Let's see what we got up in here. Oh, that's more than two. There's this one right here too. Oh, jersey. Numbered. 125. Okay. There we go. That's it for this one. This little pack right here. Show it to you better. Alright. It's basically the same dude with the jersey patch. And this Black Birdie. Let's flip this around so y'all can see the card better. That's the back. That's the front. That is fat. Black Birdie is a beast, man. Y'all sleeping on him. This one's number 2. 950. What was it? 175. And then 175 of these right here. That's pretty cool. Alright, that was fire. Definitely fire. Let's raise this up again. Let's see what's this in this box. Oh shit, we got some fire. We got some fire right here, y'all. We got some fire. Let me move this box out of the way. We got some fire up in here. We got some fire. We got some fire. Put that out real quick. Look at this. This is old school. I don't know if you guys remember this, but Topps came out with this right here with the little a little, how would you say that? A little rag. This is it right here. So Topps came with this right here. That's fat. And this was in, what year was this made? Should say on this package right here. Let me see. Where was this? I don't know. It's somewhere around here. I can't really tell. I want to zoom in on there, right? Yeah, this is fire right here. New York Yankees. It's fat. But yeah. You know what? This is like the first time I've ever seen one of these. So, that's part of y'all, one of y'all verses too. I don't know. But this is definitely fire right here. And for it to come in a pack, still got the wrapper for it too. It's pretty tight. Alright, let's put this back up in here. Alright, let's look at this now. Fire right there. Look at that. You can't tell me that ain't tight. And it's signed too. That's a real autograph. Still in the box though. This is a nice wall hanger right here. Definitely. There's nothing in the back, but yeah, this is definitely tight right here. I like how this stitches on the numbers and the patched American flag. It's fat. Philadelphia Phillies. Definitely fire pack, man. That was a fire box, should I say. Alright, y'all. Is that it? That's pretty much it, y'all. That's it for this video. I'll get back to you to the next one. Peace. Make sure you like and subscribe.